Hey everybody, it's Adam Ogilvie here from ORC Services, your local restoration contractor, and I'm here to reveal to you a project that we just completed in the Palm Bay area, which is our coverage area. We service Indian River, St. Lucie, Brevard County, and let's go ahead and head in and let's check out this wonderful project that we finished. So welcome to this beautiful home now, and there was a lot of damage from Hurricane Irma, and let's check it out. So I'm real proud of my reconstruction division. This is Rob, who's my head lead supervisor for our recon division. So if you have the privilege of running to Rob on any repairs, Rob did a wonderful job here.
Hi everyone.
So come on. Hey everybody, it's Adam again here. We completely remodeled this kitchen. We had to remove all the drywall, redo part of the electrical, brand new cabinets, countertops, new plumbing put in here. Came out phenomenal. We put brand new tile flooring in that was needed. All this was damaged by water and mold and needed to be repaired and restored. This is the family room, living room, dining room. The hallways are real similar to this space. We had to put all new flooring in, repaint the walls, repaint the ceilings. We put up some new fans the customer provided to us. And let's keep going. I'll show you the hallway. So this is the master bedroom area. All new carpet. We had to cut all the drywall 4 foot down. All new doors and redo this whole space. So all this was damaged by water and mold, and we did a phenomenal job to get this home back to its life. So in here is the master bathroom. So the master bathroom, it's the same thing. We had to come in and redo the walls, strip all the old 70s wallpaper off and redo everything, and all new cabinets, all new countertops, new plumbing, and over here we redid the master showers. Came out really well too. The color scheme worked out really great. My project management team worked with her with all her selections, hand in hand to get her selected, and turned out great. Real happy with the outcome of this. So let's check out the full area. So I want to thank everybody for taking this quick tour of a project that we did. Just want to show everybody what we do here at ORC Services. Every day we work with our customers and restoring their homes from water, mold, and fire damages. It's something we do enjoy. We work with our customers, we work it out with your insurance company, and we just want to get your homes back together. So thank you very much.